I'm in here in the kitchen with one of my favorite boys in the whole entire world, Bobby Deen.
You're a lucky duck, ain't you?
I'm so a lucky duck.
No, I think I am.
And today is all about the Deen's dining and
sharing some things.
Yes. And what are you fixing to share with us now?
Real simple little lemon lime. It's a lemonade, basically.
And this recipe calls for 1/3 of a cup of fresh mint leaves. And you are using the juice from 3 limes, the juice of 4 lemons. All right, so
exactly
we're
1
gonna
cup.
muddle the sugar and the mint first, is that correct?
That's right.
Now how much sugar?
So 1/4 cup of sugar.
Let's toss in the mint, and we're breaking up those mint leaves so that that mint flavor will just explode throughout our lemon-limeade. All right, so son, if you will...
Ready for that cup of juice?
Now remember, this is the juice of 3 limes and 4 lemons. And now we're gonna add the rest of our sugar.
3/4 of a cup.
It's actually a half because we muddled our mint with 1/4 of a cup already. Stir this and let that dissolve into that juice. So 8 cups of cold water, y'all. And I'm gonna keep stirring so that sugar will dissolve. I'm gonna cut us a little slice of lemon. And I'm gonna reach in here and get us another piece of mint to go on top. Perfect. And here we go. This is gonna be delicious with that fresh fruit and that custard. All righty.
Take it.
Just go down here, son. Look how pretty that is. Is it good?
That's refreshing. You want to do the custard first?
Yes. Son, pop up on the stool.
All right.
And I'm gonna get our custard out. Oh my goodness, this custard's just beautiful. And I'm gonna just pile us up some fruit. Okie doke. Look at this custard.
Shoot, Joe.
Doesn't that look good?
It does look good.
You know what, son? I set the tallest cup in front of me, so I'm gonna change with you. There's your napkin.
This is all my stuff. How you like that?
Just you and me, son. I love it when it's all your stuff. I'm very proud of you and Jamie.
I'm proud of you too, Mama. Oh, yeah, custard's
Oh,
so good.
Bobby, the recipes are wonderful.
Thank you, Mama.
And you know, we always send them what, son?
A mouthful of fruit.